Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SRN International School, Jaipur. I am Maya Sharma, Faculty of Science at SRN International School, Jaipur. Today I will explain you about nutrition in plants of grade 7th. Children, the food we eat is made up of certain components that are essential for normal growth and development of a body. These components of food are called nutrients. The mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. There are mainly two modes of nutrition, autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Let's talk about autotrophic nutrition. In autotrophic nutrition, organisms make their food themselves from simple substances. Auto means self and troph means nourishment. This mode of nutrition is found in green plants. Green plants make their own food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. The food prepared by plant is eaten by herbivores. Therefore, green plants are called as producer. Let's talk about heterotrophic nutrition. Organisms that cannot make their own food depend on plants and animals for their food. They are called heterotrophs. Their mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. Hetero means other and troph means nourishment, like human, dog, cow, etc. On the basis of their feeding habit, heterotrophic mode of nutrition could be parasitic, saprophytic, symbiotic, insectivorous. Let's have a closer look over each of them. Parasitic nutrition. Organisms that live on or inside other living organisms to drive their nutrition are called as parasitics. Such a mode of nutrition is called parasitic nutrition. The organisms from which a parasite derives its food is called host. For example, Cuscuta amarvale, which is a parasitic plant. Saprophytic nutrition. Organisms that derives their food from dead and decaying organic substances are called saprophytes or saprotrophs like mushroom, yeast, etc. Saprophytes help in cleaning the environment by decomposing the dead materials and recycling the nutrients. Symbiotic nutrition. In this type of nutrition, two different organisms live together and gets benefits from each other. For example, lichen, it is relationship between alga and fungus, where alga provides food materials to the fungus and return the fungus provides shelter, water and minerals to the alga. Insectivorous nutrition. Have you heard about insects eating plants? Yes, it is true. Like pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, etc. are a few insectivorous plants. They grow in the place where the soil is deficient in nutrients. Hence, these plants trap insects by various means and these trapped insects are digested by juices secreted by them. So dear student, that was all about today's topic. I hope you have understood about nutrition and modes of nutrition. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel to get more knowledgeable video. Thank you.